everyone. Welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina, and I am so excited for Storytime today. Before we get started, I want to remind you that we are doing hybrid Storytimes, which means on top of Storytimes online here, we are also doing them in person at the library. The in-person version of these Storytimes for the toddler/preschool age group are at 10:30 a.m. on Mondays. All right. Now that that's out of the way, are you guys ready for story time? This week, our theme is building things. That means this week we're going to read some books about architects and construction workers and everybody involved with the process of building things. Okay, our first book is Dreaming Up, A Celebration of Building by Christy Hale, published by Lee & Low Books. Cup on cup, stacking up, smaller, smaller, and growing taller. Earth and water, sun and air, all around, everywhere. Cold and wet, hot and dry, mixed together, make mud pie. Open the top and in I hop. Poke out a square to see who's there. Pull in the flap to hide from view. Can you see me? I see you. Blankets flung, stretched chair to chair, soft roof arcs low. A cozy place, a hideaway, where you and I can go. Touch wood, fingers learn each form, hang shapes on air, explore new directions, every block anchored with care. Fluid with water, towers twist high, sparkle with sea glass, treasures and shells, sand castle. One by one, block by block, plastic shapes interlock. Yellow, red, white, and black all connect in a stack. Build a world brick by brick. Hold them close, hear the click. Paper-thin cards, slice through space, lean brace, hold still this moment of balance. Easy peasy as can be, toothpicks joining 1, 2, 3. Stick touched like fingertips, reach high where wishes roam. Cupped between is magic space, in a forest fairy home. Balls of snow, bags of land, bend down low, fill your hand. Pack them, stack them, circle round. Dome is, home is, built on ground. Paper tubes, stuff reused. Anything does the trick. Tape or glue for strength, and you have raised a building quick. Flat wooden sticks stuck with glue, gaps in between where sun peeks through. Solid then open, dark then bright, shifting patterns, flickering light. Slats and slits standing side by side, and together built round and wide. An open floor, inviting space, welcome door to popsicle place. Add together, build round and wide, slats and slits standing side by side. Shifting patterns, flickering light, solid then open, dark then bright. Gaps in between where sun peeks through, flat wooden sticks stuck with glue. Soft forms tumble, making ever-changing cavern secret spaces, pillow forts. And here are the names of all the buildings that we saw pictures of in this book. That was the Solomon R. Guggenheim Museum, Petronas Twin Towers, New Gorna Village, Box House, Yoyogi National Stadium, Falling Water, La Sagrada Familia, Habitat 67, Vitra Fire Station, Montreal Biosphere, Bamboo Church, Mars One, Paper Tube School, Sclera Pavilion, and Guggenheim Museum, Bilbao. And we have pictures of all of the great designers who built these buildings. All right, that was Dreaming Up, a celebration of building. What did you guys think? What things do you like to use to build? And what do you like to build? Okay, our next book is Whose Tools by Toni Buzzeo, illustrated by Jim Datz and published by Abrams Appleseed. To build a house, start down low. Whose tools are those? Do you know? And we have a chalk line, a chisel, a jointer, and a float. Whose tools are those? They are the mason's tools. I smooth the cement until it's flat. Place windows high with floors below. Whose tools are those? Do you know? And we have a level, a square, a hammer, and a saw. Do you know whose tools those are? They are the carpenters. I cut the frame where the windows go. Keep all rooms dry in rain or snow. Whose tools are those? Do you know? And we have a utility knife, some snips, a nail gun, and a ladder. Whose tools are those? These tools belong to the roofer. I nail the shingles in straight rows. Now add some lights that softly glow. Whose tools are those? Do you know? And we have a screwdriver, a drill, some wire strippers, and a linesman pliers. Whose tools are these? These tools belong to the electricians. I string the wire from switches to lights. Make the water stop and go. Whose tools are these? Do you know? We have an adjustable wrench, a pipe wrench, a pipe cutter, and pipe tape. Whose tools are these? These tools belong to the plumbers. I run the pipe elbows until they're tight. On all four walls, bright colors flow. Whose tools are those? Do you know? We have a brush, a roller, some masking tape, and a roller tray. Whose tools are those? These tools belong to the painters. I paint 3 coats on every wall. The house is still not finished, though. Who's come to build? It's you! I know. All right, that was Whose Tools? What'd you guys think? Were you able to guess any of the answers? All right, everyone, thank you for coming. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with story time. At the library, you can get something called a Storytime kit, which is a fun-filled activity kit that goes with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, our craft is this handy-dandy tool belt. And it comes with a hammer, a saw, and a wrench. Pretty cool. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for the Monday story times and one for the Wednesdays. So you want to make sure to grab the right kits or you can end up with something completely different. The kits for this story time are in the Toddler/Preschool crate. They are the red ones. We have new kits every week, so make sure to check back in every time we do a new story time. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time, and I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up your story time kit. Bye!